Roger, your turn.
Good afternoon, friends. I'm Roger Scherrer. I'm in Tucson, Arizona. I sell Nature's Defense mold killer remove kit. Price US dollars is 2,500, and I sell it to people who have mold.
Excellent. Well done, Roger. I have one of Roger's mold kits because there was a guy up the street who had mold, but anyhow, he decided on another way. I ended up with a kit. That was fine. A girlfriend of mine who I've known for years, she's had mold in her house. Her 18-year-old daughter for the last 2 years has been working on growing mold in her bedroom just by dropping a damp towel in her room every day after her shower. And as much as Trudy says, don't do that, the humidity from the damp going straight up, Trudy said you can see where the black mold is, like it's directly above where she drops the towel. After 2 years of her coughing, they went away on a trip to Bali. She didn't cough over in Bali, came back, started coughing again. Trudy's gone, it's definitely the mold that's the trouble. So I sent her my mold kit, having not been able to experience how it works, but I know in my head and my heart that how it does. I hear Glenn say it, Nora says it, Roger says it. Anyhow, I sent her my mold kit and I said, well, do you have to tell me how it works from your end because I can't be there to see it? She said she set the bomb off for 30 hours. And then they went in and they didn't even wipe down the whole of the room, like her room, the son's room. She said, we only wiped the bits where we could see the mold. So basically, where they believe, where they could see the black parts, but they didn't wipe down everything. And she said, we just wiped down the bits we could see. And she said, Ellie has not coughed since. She said within 30 hours of just setting the bomb off and then, the hour it took to wipe everything down, she has stopped coughing. She said it is remarkable how instant it is. So, so to get that from trusted friend who only got instructions over the phone, has never seen any results one way or the other, and she could follow the instructions very simply, well, her version of the instructions. She didn't wipe down everything, and then it all just went away instantly. She says, amazing. So, so there you go. That's how good Roger's stuff is for if anyone's dying from mold inhalation. Roger's stuff is pretty cool. All right. Thank you so much, Roger.